Today is 24th of April, market gap down and trade a narrow range bar, down 24 points to close at 2518. Market currently is hovering above the support of 2005, so this is quite significant. Tested on several occasions. Resistance is at 2670, 2676. Now after a severe sell-down, we do expect a rebound, and this is what we see, a counter trend. Notice the second rally is much weaker than the first, and subsequently it actually broke the upward trend line. However, this break wasn't very decisive. You notice after a break, it kind of hover above the support. So the support at 2005 is significant. So I'd like to actually watch over the next few days. Breaking this support will be negative, and it may well bring us to this level again, the March low of 2208. We take a look at the intraday charts. Let's take a look at 30-minute charts. If you notice, after today gap down, it kind of stuck in the trend range. So today market is actually quite listless. Now let's take a look at stocks. We've been observing and discussed. This is Biolytic. We have very nice break over here. And of course, it trades series of extension bar with gaps. Over here itself is actually open with a gap after the trailing halt, and it closed shortly after. So this is time to get out. Now with the severe sell down like this, the stocks is more likely to start in the trend range. It'll be quite some time before you will trade again. UG Healthcare. Over here we have a small deeper breakout, 22 cents, and in run up with the extension bar, it's pretty obvious it's time to go. And over here we have a long dated doji, sign of uncertainty. So again, it is a warning sign that we should actually get up. Now if you were to actually plot the high volume area, if you notice, this is a very obvious area at about 38 cents. So it actually is time to actually get up. Now so far medical stock appear to be very choppy and volatile. So there's a reason why it's important to actually watch closely and always remember to take partial profit. Another stock that performed well recently is Clearbridge. Again, very sharp move right after this break. Very sharp move, and we have a wide range reversal bar here. So all these stocks are now off the radar screen. You need some time before you can perform. Today, however, we have Top Glove managed to make some move, but I wouldn't advise trading this because actually it is approaching very obvious resistance. We also discussed SGX in the last videos. This is a perhaps one of the strongest blue chips. Very strong move, and we discussed this setup. If you've taken the trades, this is pretty obvious. Trade a much longer bar and you're topping tail, so it's time to go. So this has nothing to do with us, and the fact that today we have a wide range reversal bar with high volume, more likely may pull back or start in the trailing range. It'll take some time, especially after a severe sell down like this. Sheng Siong is not a stocks that we would trade in that sense. It's more like a long-term investing. Very directional. It's non-sustaining. Today we trade a reversal bar. The volume is not very high, but this is something we've got to be very careful. It's just not sustaining for a stock to move in this way. Nevertheless, if you're long-term investors, then take a look at the weekly charts. Currently, right now, it's trading a long dated doji, sign of uncertainty, likely to pull back.